What's the tea, y'all? It's your girl Capri and welcome back to my channel. It is what even day is it? Wednesday night. It is day 35 for me in quarantine. As you can see, my quarantine snacks and supplies in the background that have been ordered offline for me by my mother and my grandmother, the angels that they are. So don't mind my background, but it was time for another video. So a conversation that me and my homegirls keep having is lashes, right? I talked a lot about lashes in my last video and the type of lashes that I like to wear. People are always asking me where I get my lashes, what brand are they, and etc. So I figured, one, I'm gonna show y'all the type of lashes that I wear, but also a common conversation that I have with my friends is how they want to start off small with lashes and work their way up to longer lashes. So what I decided to do a video on today is finding the biggest, most ratchet, outrageous, out of this world, drag-tastic, iconic, never been done before,
amazing, show-stopping, spectacular,
the biggest lashes I could find. So I went to my local beauty supply store and bought just all of the biggest pairs of lashes that I could find. So I'm gonna be trying all of those on today so that y'all could take a look and see how those are. Not only will you probably get to see how I apply the lashes a little bit with them being bigger, but also, you know, how they turned out and the brands. Not gonna lie, these aren't like, you know, the best faux or mink lashes that you can buy offline. They were from a beauty supply store, so if you're looking for quality, this is not the video for you. But if you just want to see, take a look, dive in, stay tuned for the rest of the video. So getting started, I just wanted to show y'all my, you know, classic go-to lashes. I mentioned them in my last video that every time I go to the store, I'll just pick up a pair of lashes thinking I've got sorry about that. I'll pick up a pair of lashes thinking that I'm getting just a new pair, and I end up coming home with the same pair that I already have, which is fine because they're still my go-to. But the brand is called I Envy. So this is just, I don't know if this is everywhere. You might could find them online, but this is something that I have been seeing at several of the beauty supply stores here in Tampa. This is the 3D collection number 111, multi-angle and volume lightweight. They are very lightweight. I have a couple of pairs here that I've recycled them. So here is a pair that I have used before. This is what they look like. They look really good on the eye. I'm not gonna try them on today because y'all have seen them 1,000,001 times, and if you haven't, go ahead and check out one of my older videos because that's the pair that I'm always wearing in all my other videos, except for the last video, which was a very, very light pair that I got from a friend of mine. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and dive into all of the other lashes that I got. So the first pair that I got is also from the I Envy collection, but this is a humongous pair. This is the number 34. Yo, look how humongous. Like, I'm about to take flight. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these opened up. All right, so just to give you another look at them now that they're out of the package, no glare, extreme 3D. Let's see. I'm just gonna take a look and see how, oh my gosh, just see how long they are, because you want to trim them to your eye, like the length of your eye. You gotta size that up. So I'm trimming about this much off because this is a really, really long lash. Ooh, I got makeup on my nail. Speaking of which, y'all, while I'm getting this sized up, oh my gosh, this, I did my nails myself. Was that even English? I did my nails myself. This is my first ever acrylic set. No, don't look at that hand, it's not that great. Neither one of them is all that good, but I'm proud of myself for being able to do acrylics by myself. It was the dip powder. They had a kit at my beauty supply store, so be looking out for a video to come soon on how I did my nails. I do already have mascara on. Go ahead and get my glue. I'm using the Duo lash adhesive in the black brush on. Gonna let those dry for a second. While I'm letting those dry, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out some of the other pairs and just give y'all a look at them. So the tea is one of the other brands that I bought. Can you even call this a brand? Max Mink. This packaging does not look promising. Softness number 1, washable 20 to 30 times, reusable. Yeah, this looks like somebody's grandmother was in their living room and bedazzled this case. But hey girl, your lashes are in the store, not mine. So I got the number 2. I also have the number 9 in these, as well as the number 11. Now, the pair that I think I'm going to like, oh, and just to give y'all the heads up, these were all, I think, $3.99 a pair as well. The other pair that I always buy is actually only, I think, $1.99, but they're a little bit smaller. The pair that I think I'm gonna like that I paid extra for is gonna be these Luxe I Envy. Wow, so this is just like a upgraded version of the I Envy, as you can see on here. This is the VLuxe by I Envy Real Mink lashes in the Rich Peach. So they look like this. I like them because they're real wispy. They're very long, sis. High volume, long real mink lash. Ultra soft and fluffy for a fabulous 3D effect. Reusable up to 25 times. All right, so these lashes should be set. Oh my God, this is insane. Oh my God. People wear lashes like this daily. Ooh, child. This is, girl. I can't even see. Oh my gosh, these lashes are like tickling my forehead when I look down. I'ma sneeze, girl. Miss Mama is long though. Girl. I'm kind of into it though. Like, can you imagine seeing me from across the room? I feel like there was a swift wind that came with that batting of my lash. No, these are crazy, but I like them. Like, I would wear these again. I would definitely have to make sure they're secure though, because I can just imagine like a stiff wind coming and my lashes being like, okay. So we've seen pair number 1. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off. Hopefully I don't take too much of my eyeliner with it. And we're gonna move on to the next pair. I don't think I would ever wear a pair of lashes like this where they're just like spread out. There's not a whole lot of design going on there. Like, at least with these ones, you see the spaces. This is a pair I just took off. You can see like the spaces. There's different levels, lengths in there. So it makes it a little bit more, you know, modern. These, girl, we finna see. Okay, so just off of how they feel, not a fan. I'm not a fan of how these feel. Oh girl, no. I wanna be clear, I would never wear these. But you know what? For y'all, I'm gonna try it on. Let me get them lined up, see what length they need to be. While I let them things get set with the glue, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the number 9 pair. Like I said, I can already tell I don't like that pair. The number 2, it's just real, something about it just don't sit right with me. So we're gonna open up the pair number 9. This is them. These have a little motherland flavor to them. So we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna see what these girls talking about. I'm gonna go ahead and get them measured up and cut as well while we wait on the other pair that I have set. Oh my God, look at that. That is about to be fire. See what they talking about. Ooh, we might have did something. So although I like the design of these ones, the band is so thin. Like, it just screams blow off my face. Holding on for dear life in the wind. All right, hopefully that doesn't dry up completely while I'm trying on these other lashes. Oh girl, very drag fantastic. But hey, that's what I was going for, right? What's tea is I be seeing y'all out here in these streets with lashes like these. But I ain't gonna say nothing. To each his own. I feel like I could yeah, no, these gotta go. Pull the lever, Kronk. Let's see what these ones are talking about. Oh my God. One thing I am gonna say is I commend the queens, because like, if your big old lashes, like if your lashes are this big, if it's even just a hair off from the other eye, you're gonna look real dead. You feel me? And that's fine. I'm not saying there's anything wrong against it, but like if that's not the look you're going for, then it might be a problem. I'm not mad at this pair. They are very large, very in charge. But like, again, imagine, you know, you're at a night spot, a nice little bar or club, and you're in the corner trying to catch somebody's eye. Look at that lash. You could see that lash from across the room. You feel me? So if I hit you with a, hey, you're gonna see that. If you don't see it, at least that gust of wind is gonna hit you. You're gonna be like, where'd that smooth breeze come from? Oh, that girl over there, she's cute. So one way or the other, I'm getting your attention. All right, next pair. We are on to, this is the number 11. This one seems a little bit more quality. Like, it's not as thin a band. I don't know. Something about it sits a little better with me. This is literally touching my forehead right now. Ooh, I'm gonna sneeze. I don't know what to say about these. They're tickling all up in here and that area, but the longer I'm wearing them, I mean, I'm not mad at it. I'd wear these. I would not recommend them to somebody who's just starting out with lashes or anything like that, but something I would want to do is grab some maybe just individual bottom lashes, because my bottom lashes, my top lashes could beat my bottom lashes up, like swallow them whole. So I would definitely have to get a little something for the bottom lash line, but I ain't mad at it. All right, on to the lash pair. I'm excited about this pair, y'all. They're just enough. I feel like they're not too much. They're a lot, but I don't think that they're too much by any stretch of the matter. Ooh, and they feel quality. Just ripping them off of there. The band is very strong. Again, I paid $8.99 for this pair, so they better be strong. Get some glue on these puppies. See what they're talking about. Let's see. Y'all. Girl. Something I will say, they're like pointing in that direction. I don't know what's that about, but we're gonna see. I really like them though. Like, no, I really like these. They're long, but they're just not too much. Y'all. Oh, this is so good. No, I really like these. Wow. You can't tell me anything with these lashes on. Cannot tell me a single thing. Hold on. Let me add a little motherland flavor. This is good to me. No, this looks good to me. Well, this is the last pair, y'all. I think I might do this again. Maybe try on a bunch of different other pairs, because when I was purchasing these, in my head, I was like, all right, find the cheapest ones you can find, because you're gonna be tossing every single one of these pairs. But now there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs that I'm going to be adding to my collection. So I'm really happy with the results. I think I am in the next haul going to try and add some lower lashes, whether they be individual or strips. I don't know yet. I've never done bottom or lower line lashes, so I don't want to just dive into the deep end, but I do want to try it out to give this a little bit more, You know what I'm saying? So this is it, y'all. That is all that I have for today. I really appreciate the support. Y'all have been coming through and showing love on my videos. Don't forget to go like, comment, subscribe, you know, just let me know that you stopped by and show a little bit of love. Be on the lookout for my next video, but until next time, stay shady.